What would you say is the economic drivers behind this town?
I think the biggest thing with Northeast Ohio is the fact that it's such a affordable place to live. We do have a lot of headquarters in the area that help with the employment because they get lower taxes than they would in other states and in big cities. So, I mean, you've got Sherwin-Williams, Parker-Hannifin, Progressive. Just the simple fact that it's low cost living, I think, is the largest economic factor.
As someone who would be new to investing here, would you recommend that they took a look at Akron versus any other city that they could potentially take a look at?
Absolutely. I have clients from California, Georgia, Vegas. I have one that's been calling me from Canada, too. They're all being told, and by their research, of realizing that this market is amazing for investors because it's low cost to get into the market, but yet you still have your income coming back in.
That's the beauty about being here. This is a great place to be. Then you work with out-of-state investors, right? Like
Absolutely.
That's something you do all the time. You have contractors and property managers and
I have
people
all
you
of
can
that in
connect
place.
everyone. So really, if they get in touch with you, then they have everything they need to invest in Akron.
Yes.